The Election Commission of India has reviewed its decision suo motu and has decided to allow usage of indelible ink on persons for stamping for home quarantine by health authorities. Now, authorities believe that leaving a visible stamp on people's right hands below the knuckles will encourage them to stay home and help others notice if they venture out in public, because we've seen cases in the recent past where a person who was stamped with the ordinary ink went out, some even washed it off. Remember, the default quarantine period for corona cases is 14 days, and this move should help the government agencies. Madhavdas Krishnan, our senior editor, is joining us. Yes, Madhav.
Yes, in fact, as you would very well know, the use of indelible ink, the custodian of that in our country is the Election Commission, because that has very serious implications for our electoral process. And now, in view of the overriding public health crisis that India is facing in view of the COVID-19 or the coronavirus pandemic, the Election Commission has hereby authorized and has, in fact, given conditions under which indelible ink can be used for stamping. This is ink that typically lasts for weeks, but it's at the barest of minimum would last at the minimum of 3 days. On the normal course of use, it lasts for several weeks, as you all know, during the poll process. And similar instructions have now been given, which authorize the Health Ministry and all concerned ministries to actually use indelible ink. We've seen hand stamping take place at several airports, including at Mumbai and Bengaluru. And now, instead of just stamping the hand, which can actually be washed off, indelible ink will actually be an option for authorities to use as and when, in fact, international travel once again resumes. Pranesh.
Thank you, Madhav. Thank you for joining us with the details.